Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram Reels as private in Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your Instagram. After that, we will be needing to go to the profile. So basically here in the profile, we will need just to remove our Reels from the grid. And this process would allow you to remove just reels from your grid or profile grid, and basically they want to be showing here, and that would add some privacy to your reels. And all you need to do is just to go, for example, to this reel and make sure you are on the profile grid, and from here you will need just to click on this 3 point icon, and basically here you will find these lists. And depends on the type of your account, you will find here an additional choice, which is uh, the remove posts from grid or remove from profile grid. And you will need just to click on it. And basically by clicking on that, you will have your reel that will be hidden from the profile grid, and you won't find it here. And basically you will be needing to consult it from the reels menu, like here. As you can see, for example, I have this draft that it is not showing here, and you can also start having uh, draft reels that will be reels that are private to you, or you can simply start adding some privacy, like by making your profile as private if you don't want to make your reels to be visible. And also you can just simply go to your privacy settings, and you can uh, just go and make your profile as private, etc, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.